Back down into the Flyers zone. Chased down by number 13 and a backhand shot. And we get a 17's stick that down into the Flyers zone. Picked up by Callie Peterson. Weber tries to throw it up. That's stolen. Pass Marvisi. Shot towards the net. And a kick save by Lincoln as she redirects that one. And down into the Flyer zone. Backhanded it in the net. Brought up by number 17. She gets it past Van Voorst down into the Flyer zone. She carries it up. Going against Rigolizzo, and Rigolizzo ends up down low. Puck's bouncing around. Nelson comes away with that one. Here's number 9 carries it up and knocked away from her by Peterson, but not able to maintain control down in the Flyer zone. Backhanded it up to the point. Shot! That puck went off the post after eking its way by Watson. Watching dancing around in that corner. Cougars come away with it. Knocked away by Gora. Back up to the point. Number 77 carries it down low, down the near side half wall, down behind the net, tries to center it. Backhanded towards the net, kicked aside by Lincoln. Picked up number 9 to 37, shot towards the net. 37 with the second attempt, and Lincoln struggles that one off Marvisi. 17. She carries that down into the Flyer zone, shot towards the net. Good save by Lincoln. Backhanded down low, below the goal line. In the slot, finally taken away by Peterson. Throwing up the number 35. Cougars putting on some pressure right now. Goes underneath her skate. Shot blocked by Murray. Another shot blocked by Rigolizzo. Good body in the way. Murray there. This third frame. Harris had it knocked away from her. Down behind the goal line. Shot towards the net. Whacked at by number 10. Lincoln does a good job of keeping that one out of the net. Over to the near side. Harris not able to get to it first. Down into the Flyers zone. Harris there. This game's getting a little more feisty. Shot, and that took a weird bounce up front, but Harris comes away with it. Down below the goal line. Thrown up the near side. Gora and her look like they've been battling for a little bit. 35 walks in, shoots. Goes off the arm of 5. Little 2-on-1, hands it off to 7. They do not connect cleanly there. And a shot towards the net. Batted aside by Lincoln. And 77 with it. She walks to the center and off the skate of Rigolizzo. And Clark there hounding her. Back to the point. Shot and a save by Lincoln. We get a stoppage of play at the 7:02 mark of the third frame. Backhanded up. And shot on. Lincoln gloves that one down, so we get another quick stoppage of play. And shot towards the net. It goes wide. 1:20 left in the third and final frame. And shot blocked. And that ends up on the far side boards. Picked up at the point and thrown towards the net. It goes wide. Off the stick of, I believe that's Lincoln in net. It is. Mariah try and get to it at some point. Number 24 carries it in. Centering pass on a backhand over to the far side. Van Voorst into the far side corner. Takes a weird bounce, but the Capitals come away with it. Looking to center it. And a stick right there as Meyer got in the way. Not able to get it out though. Up the near side boards. Stalls out on the half wall. Number 66 comes away with it for the Capitals. Centering pass that goes off of Honnor's skate. She ends up going down again. Shot towards the net. Kicked away by Lincoln. Picked up by Honor, but she whiffs on that one. Nelson with it. She throws that down low. And the Capitals come away with it. Number 33 dancing around, looking to center it, not able to do so. And number 8 with it, back to the point, knocked. And Oahe tries to get it tries to get it deep into the Flyer zone. That puck's just bouncing around, nobody able to get a solid stick on it, and finally Lincoln covers that one up. Noise canceling headset, you can actually hear him, and it kind of throws you off a little bit. It's interesting. Gora with it down below the goal line, rims it around, picked up by number 30. She whiffs on that one. Second attempt, gets it down low. Rigolizzo down to help out. Back down into the Flyer zone. 24 walks in, shot, saved by Lincoln as she did not give much space for that shot. Pass up to number 55. We got a 3-on-0, or 3-on-1, and another shot. Puck's bouncing around, still up front. Another shot, and finally, no, Lincoln did not get a glove on it. She pulled him by number 66 in, and Lincoln with a beautiful save as she spread those legs, and down low, Van Voorst picks it up down below the goal line. Fires Harris with a quick stop, and she loses a handle on it. Over to the far side, off the stick of Marvisi. Marvisi gets it and hammers it behind the net. Another centering pass, puck's bouncing around, and Lincoln covers that one up, and we get a stoppage of play, and that one's going to make it all the way down into the Flyer zone. Number 24 there, shot, saved by Lincoln. And Lincoln, number 8 steals that one, carries it in. She had a couple Flyers converging on her. Watson with it now. She takes it behind the goal, up the far side, but that one's stolen as Lincoln just nice spread eagle there and down in the Flyer zone. Picked up by Gora. Gora bounces it off the backboards, but has it knocked away from her by number 16. Puck's now behind the net, picked up by Rigolizzo. Up to Clark. Clark with it now. Throws it up, but that is picked off right at the blue line. Shot, and it's saved by Lincoln. Picked up again by that down into the Flyer zone, is pinched off by Watson. Watson putting some pressure on down low. Rangers come away with that one. Pops around, bounce into the crease. Lincoln able to get something on it, not out, as it's chipped right back in by number 25. Marvisi picks it up the near side corner. Bounces over her stick. She's not able to get control of it. Triplett with a shot and a save by Lincoln. And we got our first sit up down below the goal line. Clark now with it. Hands it to Gora, but puts it right into her feet. Back to the point. Shot off the glove of Lincoln. And number 11 was there, but not able to get it. Triplett walks in. Shot. Kick save by Lincoln. To 19, and they do not connect on that one. That one was a close one. Chip down low. Long shot from bad angle, and Teen grabs it out of the air. A shot and a goal! Rangers tie it back up, knocks it past Rigolizzo. It's a 2-on-1. Shot, kick save by Lincoln. Chipped up. Number 18 with it. Shot and a save by Lincoln. She leaves that for Marvisi. Marvisi takes it behind the net. Out on the half wall. Back up to the point to Triplett. Triplett with a shot and a glove save by Lincoln, but she was not able to keep control of that. She whiffs on that. We have a 2-on-0 breakaway, 3-on-1. And off the side of the net, as Brookings with a 3-on-1. Number 5 goes in. Shot and a save by Lincoln as she gloves that one out of the pass. Gora, number 18, carries it out. Shot and a rebound let up. And number 11 buries that in the back of the net. With the head of steam, comes flying up through the neutral zone. Shot and a save by the goaltender. Backhanded up the boards to Knutson. Knutson bounces it off the boards, and that stops at the half wall. Shot, save. Gora picks it up off the near side boards, and that's picked off by 87 and chipped down. Yeah, there's certain positions of this camera that are causing the white balance. Rangers get it down into the Flyer zone, picked up by 18, taken behind the net. Looking to hand it off, she does. Brought around and up front of the goal line. Gora gets it, had it knocked off her stick temporarily. Harris there battling for it. Another centering pass. Puck's bouncing around. Nice positioning there. I believe that's Lincoln in net, correct?
Yes.
Lincoln in net, and she picks it up down below the goal line. Centering pass. Puck's bouncing around. Another shot from the top of the slot, and that goes wide of the net. Picked up by number 8. Thrown towards the net. Goes wide. Picked up by number 10. In all alone. Walks to the net. Shot and saved by Lincoln. Picked up, and now should be an icing call. No, they waved that one off. Rigolizzo gets it and chips it up. That's kept in by the Marlins. And they take it down low. Centering pass goes off the stick of Rigolizzo. Lincoln with a great save. Centering pass fails to get to the intended target. Another centering pass. Pesca there had it knocked off her stick. Up the near side boards, not out. Blast up front. Nice save by Lincoln. And right of the goal, left of the goaltender. Shot saved by Lincoln and knocked out of harm's way. By Marlins get it and not backhand, but chip it down low. Puck pops out and bouncing around. And handle on it. Pass Marvisi. Number 10 walks in. Shot off the goaltender. Marvisi gets it off the 1. Shot. Puck's bouncing around. Number 14. Great play. Just not able to connect. Puck's bouncing around. Kick saves. If you are enjoying it and you're not already a subscriber, please feel free to do so. The Rangers just tie that one up. And so we get a stoppage. She comes out the far side, and that went off of a stick, and a diving save by Lincoln as she gloves that one out of the air on a beautiful acrobatic save.